Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about table of 8. Okay? Repeat after me. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Means 8 ones are 8. Right? 8 ones are 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 twos are 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Means 8 fours are 32 or 8 fours are 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Means 8 fives are 40 or 8 fives are 40. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 8 6 are 48. 8 into 7 is equal to 56. Means 8 7 are 56. 8 sevens are 56. 8 into 8 is equal to 64. 8 eights are 64. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. 8 nines are 72. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Means 8 tens are 80. So, repeat after me children. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. So, like this we have to practice table of 8. So, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.